Day 1, Part 2. Ablecraft here with the 1998 Ford Ranger 3.0 liter. That's a V6 there. 4-wheel drive manual transmission. Passenger side rocker panel. Repair. So, I'm going to show you the after. You might have seen in my whole rocker panel series before that I've done about maybe 12 videos or so. This is what the after will attempt to look like, and I'll show you what the before is. So this is what I did on a repair from earlier, and this is on the driver's side. It was all rusted out, and I just wanted to show you the work I'd done. So you can, if you don't want to watch that series, you can fast forward here and see this is what I'm looking at doing here. So it was all rusted out, and as you can see, it's been painted up, and I welded in metal pretty much from here all the way up through here. And I stopped right about there. It was quite the process. And then I took color match paint, primer, fiberglass Bondo, and fixed her up right. So I'm going to show you now where we're going. Walk around the front of the truck. There's the nice blue oval. Eventually I'll do some hood correction and get to this little fender dent here. But I'm just walking around to the front and showing you what we're going to be working on for the next several weeks. So in day 1, part 1, I've shown you where I'd banged out all the holes using this here, my little poker. Well, I'm just going to briefly show you what I did. The video, I'm not sure how the audio is going to be working on this thing, so I'm just going to walk you through it as if I was actually doing a repair. So, this is all in the attempt to probably get some better audio. We'll set her up right here. Alrighty, so with all that being said, you take your poker here and you just pretty much bang everywhere to try holes, to try to find where the rust is, and you just bang away, banging, 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 and this hair will find out real quick where some rust is. And I just banged all the way up and down this panel, banging, banging, banging. Banging, banging. I banged up underneath, and I banged here, and I banged all around. And I pretty much found out that the rust was all localized here, and it was localized here. So that's what I do, and that's what you could do. I'm using a 7-piece Maddox auto body tools from the old Harbor Freight to do this job. But that's a quick way of doing it, and that's how you find the rust holes. You can refer to day 1 and you can actually see the process, probably minus the volume. But I just want to show you. Just bang, 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 bang. Keep banging till you break through to the old rust, and then you'll know where you're gonna have to put in your patches. Alrighty, so that's a quick day 1, part 2. I'll see you in a little while.